Hey everyone, I'm back again. I hope all of you are doing all good. So, yesterday I found a nice small feature. Uh, I didn't know whether it's an old or new feature, but I'd like to share it with all of you. Well, if you put a wallpaper that has people or animals in your lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can remove the background and put the main subject of the lock screen wallpaper, which is people or animals, into a frame like this. So you can make it more catchy and stand out. However, the steps are quite easy and simple. You just need to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen wallpaper. As the example, we will do this from the lock screen. On your lock screen, long tap on an empty area. If you use a secure screen lock type, enter your screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern and fingerprint, then we can either draw the pattern or scan the fingerprint. So we can go to the lock screen edit screen. Now tap the frame button at the bottom of the screen. By default, if you put a wallpaper in your lock screen, it will use no frame like this. But now you can put the main subject of the wallpaper into the frame. Here in the frame tab, you are provided with several frames. You can tap each of frame to see how it looks like if it's applied. Now move to the color tab. Tap the color tab. By default, your phone will display the background of the wallpaper. If needed, you can erase the background. To do so, tap erase background button. When you choose to erase the background of your lock screen wallpaper, you will be given with some color combination for the frame and the background. You can tap each of color combination to see how it looks like if it's applied. Well, if you are satisfied with the result, tap done button. Now you can see that the main subject of your lock screen wallpaper has been put in a selected frame and color. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.